ready to transform your Minecraft world into a challenging RPG adventure. Today, we're diving into how to install DawnCraft, the modpack that will test your skills and immerse you in a brand new experience. First things first, you'll need the CurseForge app. Head over to the CurseForge website and download the app compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to get it set up on your computer. Now, open the CurseForge app. You should see a selection of games, including Minecraft. Click on Minecraft to proceed. On the Minecraft page, look for the Browse Modpacks option and click on it. This will take you to a library of available modpacks. In the search bar, type in DawnCraft. You should see the DawnCraft modpack appear in the search results. Click on the DawnCraft modpack. This will bring you to the Modpacks page. Look for the install button and click it. CurseForge will now automatically download and install all the necessary mods and configurations for DawnCraft. This may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to a play button. Click on play. This will launch the Minecraft launcher with DawnCraft pre-selected. In the Minecraft launcher, ensure that DawnCraft is selected in the profile drop-down menu. Then, simply click the play button to launch Minecraft with the DawnCraft modpack. Get ready for an epic journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft modding tutorials. Happy adventuring!